Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to discuss about the 23rd January SHIFT-1 paper. So the angle of projection for two particles are 30 and 60 are given. The ratio of the velocity to the maximum height is. So in the previous day paper, SHIFT-2 I think so, they asked about the change in the maximum height, a change in the kinetic energy between the maximum height to projection point. So today the ratio of velocity at the maximum height velocity is equal to u cos theta. The for ratio they're asking means you can go with the u1 cos theta 1 by u2 cos theta 2. So here theta 1, theta 2 are given. Theta 1 and theta 2 are given 30 and 60, and u1 is equal to u2. Initial velocities are equally given. Same is given, right? Initial velocities are same. So u1 get cancelled, u2 cos theta 1, cos theta 2, that equal to root 3. So answer here correct. So coming into 3. Second one is direct question, conceptual question. You can check. So whereas 3 means electric flux is related. So electric flux is equal to E dot A. So electric flux according to Gauss law, flux is equal to Q in by epsilon naught, that equal to integral E dot ds. So E into A. This flux related as the flux is equal to alpha into sigma plus beta into surface charge density. Alpha into lambda plus beta into sigma. Here lambda and alpha are linear charge density and surface charge density. You know that the linear charge density is equal to Q for charge for unit length, and the sigma is equal to charge for unit area. And this is the question belongs to means relating the units and dimension as well as electricity, both combined concept, electricity and units and dimensions. So now see, according to units and dimension principle of one quantity, so x is one physical quantity is equal to the sum of remaining physical quantities like this. This is the equation of physical quantities, relation between the physical quantities. Therefore, dimension of x is equal to dimension of y, that equal to dimension of b, z or b. That means physical quantities may be different physical quantities, but dimension of those physical quantities are same. Okay, now the question is the ratio of b by alpha. These two are constant. B by alpha is equal to which quantity they are asking. Represents which type of quantity. That is equal to which physical quantity. So to find out dimension of beta and alpha which equal to the dimension of which quantity, first to find apply the principle of homogeneity by using this formula. Therefore, the dimension of alpha and lambda is equal to dimension of beta into sigma. Because I know already lambda and sigma formulas. That's why I'm writing like this. If you want to write means you can equate alpha value you can find out, beta value you can find out by taking the dimension formula of phi also, no problem. That also same will come, but easy way we can go these two, y and b. These two have same dimensions, like that I will take. Therefore, alpha into q by L quantities, right? Is equal to beta into q by A. Beta get cancelled. Sorry, alpha constant. Sorry, q get cancelled. That implies beta by alpha is equal to A by L. Length that equal to meter square by meter. Whereas dimension formula, A by L dimension formula is equal to meter square by meter. So that equal to meter. So the represents meter is unit of length. Unit of length. That means displacement according to our answer. You understand this. So here I have taken direct. Tomorrow they can ask flux dimension and the same model they want to ask me. Otherwise, flux related question they can ask like that. Flux dimension also I'll explain that, no need to explain. M power 1 L cube, M power minus 1 L cube, T square, A power minus 2 will come, A power minus 2 or A power minus 1 will come. So E is equal here F by Q, Q is equal to IT, A power minus 1, TV also -1 will come. Therefore, already T power 2 is their force. Simply this I want to write means force by charge into area. So L cube, M dimensional formula is M L L cube, area into L cube, and T power -2, and here I T is there, T power -3, I power -1 or A power -1. This is answer. Right, next formula. Right. So in calculation of dimensional formula, there are 4 processes are there mainly. Maybe tomorrow in any other section they can ask. They will give relation between these two, lambda, sigma, and phi they will give, and how these are related. So bring the relation between the physical quantities. So lambda is equal to sigma power A and phi power B will take, and dimension of sigma, dimension of phi will write, and dimension of A will equate, right? Dimension of sigma power A and dimension of sigma power B, and equating to dimension of lambda, you will get A value and B value. That A value, B value substitute means here the relation between these 3 quantities will come. So like that, whatever they can ask. One more question. Only in dimension they are going to ask means. So now this is now coming into here, 2 particles are located at equal distance from origin. Okay, 2 particles are there. The position vector of these particles are represented by one particle is position vector. This is another particle is this one. Located at equal distance from the origin. So distance are equal, but they are not in the same place or same plane. They are not given like that. Position distance are equal, right? Means magnitudes are equal, and if both the vectors are right angles to each other. That means right angles to each other means perpendicular vectors. Right? These two are. That means dot product of these two, A dot B is equal to 0. A dot B is equal to 0. That means 2 into 2, 4 dot product, minus 3 into 3n into 2 minus 6n, and 2 into 4n is equal to plus 8n is equal to 0. That implies minus 2n is equal to 4, then n is equal to -2. Therefore 1 by n is equal to, n inverse means n power -1 means 1 by n. They are asking 1 by n is equal to 1 by -1 by 2. So that equal to 0.5 minus 0.5 has to come. But here the question is different, I think so. Otherwise the asking answer will be different. So answer is not there. But no other way here. A dot B is equal to 0. What is the point of the person? We don't know. And here otherwise one more method you can apply. Magnitudes are equal, right? The particles located at the equal distance is given. Therefore, distance equal means 4 plus 9n square plus 2k means 4 again is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 16n square. What is this here? N square. This is not correct. So maybe here we'll change some n not here m will change, right? So 16m square. So then 4 4 4 4 get cancelled. Therefore n by m is equal to 4 by 3. So keep like this is equation 1. So now suppose dot product is 0 means here m is there, that is a dot product is 0 means A dot B 4 minus 6n plus 8m is equal to 0. So now substitute this n or m is asking n, so m eliminate. So to m eliminate I am doing m is equal to 4n by 3. 4 minus 6n plus 8 into m is equal to 3n by 4. 3n by 4 that is equal to 0. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. Therefore here 4 is equal to 0. This is also wrong. So this question even I think wrong. Equal magnitudes means it is coming n by m is equal to 4 by 3, correct only. So 16m square 4 4 4 4. So something question is wrong. Waste of time. Now fifth one. So fifth one, f is equal to given variable in x and y, and line equation is given here. So according to line equation, x plus y is equal to 10. That means y is equal to 10 minus x. So this is one equation. And the position is given, x value is varying from 0 to 4, and y value variation from 0 to 2, integration 1 variation. And consider the position vector is equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap. Dy j cap. So now according to work done formula, work done equal to what I can write? Work done equal to f dot ds, right? dr. So this is dr. So f is given, f bar is equal to given x square y I cap plus y square j cap. So now work done equal to F dot dr means dw is equal to integral dw is equal to integral F dot dr, that equal to x square y into dx plus y square dy. Integral y value 0 to 2, x value 0 to 4, and here 0 to w. So now here y is there in this equation. So from this y I have to substitute here, that equal to x square into 10 minus x dx integral 0 to 4 plus integral y square dy. Here no need to change again, y cube by 3 I can write, y cube by 3 upper limit minus lower limit. So now this simplify by multiplying x square both the means send inside the bracket, and the sum rule will apply. In integration of sum rule, if you follow, you will get 10x square means 10 into x cube by 3 from lower to upper limit, 0 to 4 means only upper limit is a value, minus here x power 4 by 4 again 0 to 4 plus upper limit is 8 by 3. 2 cube means 8 by 3, that is equal to here. So 4 cube 64, 640 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 4 power 4 256 by 4, that equals 64. That is equal to here 648 by 3, that is 216. 216 minus 64, that equal to 152 joules of energy. So this is fifth answer. So same, this is only in variable force what difficult question. Remaining under direct question of that dr, where force is equal to variable, in variable terms they will give. This is only the somewhat difficult question, and work along another path they will give. Work different path they will go and asking the work done between any one path. So if you can find out work done in any easy path, no? Remaining all path is equal, because work independent on path, it depends on the displacement between initial and final point. So that normal work done means work done in all the lessons will apply. So you can't come this. So this is only the point. Work done basic topic, you have to go through all the questions, right? So now coming into sixth one. So positive ion. Here positive ion means, okay, their charges is given here. That means they are not only electron or proton. Ion means maybe something. Okay. So coming into sixth one. Positive ion have charge. So positive ion, that means hydrogen plus, is equal to 6.67. This factor 6.67 is universal gravitational constant. But here Coulomb is given, so it is taking as positive charge. And negative ion have charge H minus. So this H plus and H minus I am taking only for representation of ions only. So these are not present in or the type of not. Okay, if you want to means O2 minus you can take. So its charge is equal to 9.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulombs, minus 10 coulombs, 10 power minus 10 coulombs. So this is given data of charges only given. That is, one you take as Q1, another one is take as Q2. Q1 and Q2. Here Q1, Q2 are charges of these two particles. And the mass also given. Masses are given. M1 is equal to 19.2 into 10 power minus 27 kg. And M2 is equal to 9 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So respectively at instant. The ants are separated by the distance r. So electrostatic force I can find out, right? So therefore electrostatic force formula between the two charges. So electrostatic force is equal to F is equal to Fe is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. So here K value 9 into 10 to the power of 9 I can take into Q1 Q2. Q1 is equal to 6.67 into 9.6 into 10 power minus 29 now by R square. So now next, this is electrostatic force. What the question is asking that? So electrostatic force means magnitude of the ratio of magnitude of electrostatic force to gravitational force. Mean these two masses are separated by same r. The ratio is asking, so r value no need to find out. Therefore, F into gravitational force G is equal to here G into M1 M2. m1 m2 by r square. That equal g value 6.67, 1 going to be cancelled, into 10 power minus 11 into m1 m2. m1 is 19.2 into 10 power minus 27 into m2 is 9 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Right. 9 into m2 is given 9 into 10 to the power of minus 27 by r square. So by this time we have to get cancel ratio. 6.67 also get cancelled. Means FE by FG they're asking. So FB by FC means here division. So this 9 and this 9 also get cancelled. This is denominator. These are all denominator value. These are numerator values. Here 9.6 is there. And here 19.2 is there. So 9.6 into 9.2 means it is 2. Right. And here 10 power 9, 20 means 10 power 20 is there. So the denominator value will go up, right? Equation 2. I am doing 1 by 2. So that implies denominator for 27 minus 54. Minus 54 plus 11 means minus 11 minus 65. So it will go up means plus 65. Therefore, equation 1 by I am going to 1 by 2. Remaining is how much? 1 by 2 into, everything is cancelled, 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 20 into 10 power 65 is remain. So that is equal to 0.5 into 10 power. So 20 get cancelled means 60, 54. Okay, 65 means this will become 45. Right. So the answer is given some p into 10 power 43. They're asking then p value. P into 10 power 43. 43 I want here. So 100 multiply. Then 50 into 10 power 43 will come. So answer is 50. So this is answer for 50. 1 minute. Right. Oh, sorry for the disturbance. May on call came, that's why. So 50 into 10 power minus the answer is 56th one. Over. So yeah, 8th one, like second one I think so. Third one and the 8th one are same concept. That means here they're asking ABC, the dimensions of ABC by D, and to find out A dimension, B dimension. Here sine of this one have no dimension because plane angle and side angle are supplementary quantities. They have no dimension formula. E power, logarithms. So dimensionless quantities there. They will ask dimensionless quantities. They will give some match the following like that they can ask. Which one, otherwise they will give some quantities and which one have dimensionless quantity. A statement and regions they will give. Refractive index, strain, why they are not having the dimension. The region they can ask. Like that also they will give. And here A dimension is X is the displacement here. The displacement is displacement of a simple harmonic motion is represented related like this. So now ABC into D. ABC by D. So D is equal to L will come automatically. C is equal to L T power minus 2 is coming. B is equal to L only will come. A is also L only will come. L square and here L T power minus 2. L cube into T power minus 2 by L. So L square into T power minus 2. Answer your over. Hope you understand that? So see easy only. Sin t cos t or cos t square have no dimensions. So therefore dimension of A is equal to dimension of X. And dimension of B also. Directly I am writing. Dimension of B is equal to dimension of D is equal to dimension of X. That equal to L. That equal to dimension of L. Now C I want to find out. Therefore C t square, dimension of C t square is equal to dimension of X. So this is X of t means the variation of displacement with respect to t. Here X into t now. Don't think like that. So the question they have taken like that. C into X. This that equal to L. That implies C is equal to L T power minus 2. Now substitute here L into L T power minus 2 by L. L get cancelled. That equal to L square T power minus 2. This is the answer for 8th question. So now coming into 9th one. So very important, and last time also the same question. Silvering, on silvering they are asking the question in a second 22nd also one type of question is there on silvering. So there I remember that 2 by means R by 2 into 2n minus 1 I think. So there the answer is. But here we'll see answer is they have given B and we will prove that. But model is different here. So whereas coming into 9th one, if you see the condition is given, this is the convex lens having the refractive index mu2 placed in a water medium or liquid medium which one have mu1 refractive index. and this is the surface R2. This is one of the refracting surface, which one having the radius R2, and this is the one of the surface having the radius R1. R1, R2 are radius of curvature. So according to question, they're asking here R2 silvered. This is silvered. So it behave like a directly, immediately we have to think about it, behave like a mirror. And which mirror? Concave mirror. Behave like concave mirror. So now, mirror formula, and here condition is given, see, the real inverted image formed at the same place, that equal to U is equal to V, let that equal to X, say. Okay, na? Therefore, the mirror formula U and V have to substitute based on the power which is coming here. Already in the previous expression I have given, whenever silvering is given, immediately I have to take power of this silvering lens is equal, or power of the system is equal to 2 into power of the lens plus power of the mirror. So now power is equal to 1 by f. 2 into 1 by f is equal to lens maker formula. N minus 1 means here me2 minus me1 by me1, because surrounding medium is me1. In the lens maker formula, in my explanation also I have given lens maker formula, relative refractive index, how we will write NL by LM minus 1 into 2 by R plus mirror formula. Power of the mirror is equal to 2 by R again. So this is 2 by R, take common, you will get me2 minus, so 2 me2 minus 2 me1, and here plus 1 is there, me1 is LCM, me1 by me1 is power of the lens. So now what you have to do now, mirror formula R2. This is positive only will come, all me2, and condition C, me2 is greater than me1. Final answer right now. This is 2 by R, R me1, 2 by R me1 into 2 me2 minus me1. So here condition is given, me2 is greater than me1. Me2 is greater than me1. Me1 less than me2. The surrounding media is less. Therefore, it is converging lens. And mirror also converging. Therefore, mirror formula will write. Mirror formula means conical mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So v and u are same side, and minus symbols will take, that equal to minus 2 by x is equal to 1 by f. So f should be minus only is coming. Therefore 2 by x. Is asking to find out the x value or which value. They are asking x value only at the same place, x value. Therefore x equal to how much? Therefore 2 by x is equal to 2 by x equal to 2 into 2 mu 2 minus 2 into 2 mu 2 minus mu 1. And here, sorry, my explanation is extremely sorry for the inconvenience. So here R1, R2 have to go equally, not given, right? So when they are given equally, then 2 by R will come, right? So this is here me2 minus me1 by me1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Actually, in lens maker formula, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 will be there after sign convention. R2 again you are using sign convention, na? Plus R2, minus of minus R2 plus R2. R1 is positive, R2 is negative, you can go. Here 2 by R2, positive only. You can ask, sir, R2 is negative, na? Then why power equal to plus 2 by R2? In that, no doubt at all. Power of the mirror I am going here, and this mirror is conical mirror. So compulsory it is a converging mirror. So 2 plus 2 by R2. So now that is equal to 2 into me2 minus me1 by me1 into 1 by R1. So 2 by R2 take common. 2 by R2 if you take common, me2 minus me1 by me1 plus 1. Therefore plus me1 by me1. So this me1 get cancelled, me2 by me1. Again 2 by R2 take common here. This is 2 by R1, here R1. So 2 by me1 I can take common. 2 by me1 if I am take common. So here me2 minus me1 by R1 plus 2 me2 by R2. It is power of the system, that equal to 1 by focal length of the system. Focal length of the system is equal to 2 by x here. Focal length of the system is equal to 2 by x. Now x is equal to, this is the answer. Therefore 2 get cancelled. Then 1 by x is equal to, here 2 and these 2 get cancelled. 1 by x equal to R1, R2 also take common. So R2 into me2 minus me1 plus R1 2 R1 mu2 by these 2 have taken common. Why 2 came here? 2 not there. So 2 not there. R1 mu2 by mu R1 into R2. Mu R1 R2. So that implies x is equal to final answer x equal to mu R1 R2 by R2 into mu2 minus mu1 plus R1 into mu2. So this is given answer, I think so. mu1 R1 R2 by mu2 R1. Yes, mu1 no, R2 into means R2 into mu1 minus mu2. So that is R2 into, so mu2 into R1 plus R2 came. Okay, here if you want to take in terms of mu2 we can write mu2 R1 plus R2. This I can change from the to the given answer. Changing mu1 into R1 R2 by, in terms of R2 and R1 I am taking here. So now see, mu2 take common here and here, mu2 take common means mu2 into R1 plus R2 will come, and R2 minus mu1 into R2. So this is the given answer. So x value, right? X is equal to, this is correct answer, and we followed the correct method only. And maximum when you are substituting, people will do the mistake here only. Power of mirror means we will take minus R2. R2 is negative now, R1 is positive means R2 is negative. Therefore minus of 2 by R2 will take. So there we'll do mistake. But it is not a method. I have given already in the previous class. That is, first you have to take the power of the system, first step. In that power of mirror, the sign of the power of the mirror depends on the converging or diverging nature only, not on the sign of the focal length or radius. So these points remember. And answer is coming, power is coming positive means that is a converging mirror, and you have to substitute the focal length has to come in negatives only. Again, answer should have to come in negatives, and here x value also negative only is coming, minus 2 by x equal to negative of this much, right? Right. This is the question. So I hope you understand. And coming into 10th time taken, this is somewhat lengthy question. Means calculation only lengthy, but concept is common concept and simple. So somewhere you have done wrong, R1 R2 taken mistaken, equally taken. That's why you have taken time. Now coming into here, from the velocity time graph, find the distance covered by the aeroplane in 30.5 seconds. So distance time graph, 30.05 seconds, 30.5 seconds. Actually 30 seconds, I think so. 30.5 seconds distance. 30 seconds means we can find out the area. Displacement time graph means velocity time graph asking, and asking the distance covered. Therefore distance is equal to, we'll get answer from the velocity time graph. Distance is equal to area under the graph, right? Vt. Distance is equal to V into T, area under the graph. So here this is the area under the graph. This total is the area under the graph. This total is area under the graph. Here you can go with the triangle area. First this rectangle area. After that this rectangle area. All the areas are here up to 30 seconds. So here 0. In 0.5, from after 2 seconds it is moving common velocity. So then in 0.5 how much distance traveled we'll find out. So now see here. So here to here only acceleration is there. From 0 to 2 seconds only they have acceleration. So initial velocity is equal to 200 at a second most. So area we can find out. Otherwise acceleration finding and substituting s is equal to ut plus half at square. Like that also you can calculate both methods. But area method is easy. We'll see now. So now area of this one, first of all, 200 into 2 plus area of the triangle 1 by 2 into base is equal to 2, height is equal to 200 plus 30 minus 2, 28 into, so this area over this one, 28 into 400 plus, so after 30.5, 30 seconds means 2 to 30 seconds common velocity, 400 meters second is moving constant velocity. Therefore in 0.5 seconds velocity is equal to 400 into 0.5. So that is equal to 400 plus 200 plus 1200, 800 can means, otherwise 12,000. Okay, 2 4 432 and 11 200, right? 11 200 plus this is again 200. So 4 6 4 that equal to 13,000 is coming, 13 or 12,000, right? So 11,000 and here 4 4 1,000, right? So this is here 200 200 200 600 plus 400 1,000. So 11,000 plus 1,000 is coming. So that equal to 12,000 meters. That is equal to 12 kilometers. So answer is correct. So this method you can go by using the area under VT graph is the distance covered. Otherwise, up to 2 seconds you can use S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square means 200 plus half. A is equal to here 200 in 2 seconds. Therefore 400 into 4, that equal to again 200 will come of AT square plus 28 into 400, then again common. So this is U into T here. T is equal to into 2 here. U is into 2. 400, 200 and again 28 into 400. This is answer. However, you can follow, but better this is using the concept of area under graph. Better that is. Right. Next. So 11th one is related to atoms. So I'm not thorough about the atoms under the topic now. Coming to 12th one. So very, very important 12th one. So here in 23rd somewhat medium paper, this is not that much easy like 22nd January. So here all are calculated questions are given, not direct conceptual question. Right. But if you know all these concepts, questions are based on simple concept only, but calculation is involved here. But yesterday only conceptually they have given. Right. If you know the concept, right answer you can tell. No need to substitute mathematical calculations there. But here's something big. Now given data, see, one mass of the cube is given 10 grams. Because what I have taken means cube of length is 10 centimeter given. That's why this is the mass of the given. Mass of the cube is equal to 10 grams. Density of the water is given, liquid here 10 kg per meter cube, and length of the cube is given. So it is there, one cube is there in the liquid like this. So it is fluid mechanics as well as simple harmonic motion related question. This is, those two lessons are covered here. So there is a one cube is there, cube of mass m in the liquid with the side is equal to 10 centimeter. Mass is equal to 10 grams, and the density of water liquid is equal to 10 cube kg by meter cube, and the side length is equal to 10 centimeters given, and it is cube. Therefore area is equal to 10 into 10, 100, 10 into meter means 10 power minus 2 meter square will come area. So afterwards we'll convert. Now is asking the slightly pushed into the water from equilibrium, then time period of the system. So in finding the time period, so in these cases, so time period formulas are many are there. Spring mass system, U-tube system, and oscillating. So there are many methods. Coming into this one, T is equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega. So here omega is equal to A is equal to minus omega square x. So A I can go for restoring force. F by m is equal to minus omega square into x. Here F slightly displacement is dx considered. It is displaced slightly dx, and release means oscillating. Therefore here restoring force is taken as the, I can take restoring force as upthrust. Upthrust is the restoring force here, which is responsible for oscillating. Don't consider that upthrust minus mg. That is wrong. Right? Only upthrust is restoring force here. That equal to here dx is the displacement of the black, not length. Therefore area upthrust is equal to volume into density of the liquid into T, that equal to F. And here volume also volume of the immersed part only. Only something is dx is pushed inside, that dx I have to take here. Therefore area into dx into rho L T is equal to F. So now F by m. So m value I will substitute here. F is equal to this is. Therefore area is equal to 10 power minus 2 I have taken. And rho L is equal to 10 cube into here g, v rho g, not t, v rho g, right? Into g is equal to 10. We have to take g is equal to 10. And by mass m, m is equal to 10 grams. 10 grams means again it will be 10 power minus 2. This is F by m is equal to minus omega square into dx. A small angle, right? So here dx also there. Therefore this get cancelled. That implies omega is coming. Omega is equal to 10. Omega square equal to 10 power 4. According to here, therefore omega is equal to 100. 100 radian seconds will come. Radian for seconds. So therefore this value substitute here in the time period, that equal to 2 pi by 100, that equal to 2 pi into 10 power minus 2. So they're asking y value before y is equal to 2. So very simple, but the conditions here, all full study conditions you have to take. So 14th one, see, sorry, 13th one, this is the 12th question answer. So coming into 13th concept, the rolling on inclined plane. So I hope you know rolling on inclined plane means. So there will be one three formulas table is there. A is equal to g sin theta by 1 plus c. Some books they will write 1 plus c, In some book they'll write beta, in somewhere they'll write I by mr square. So here c is equal to I by mr square, k radius of gyration. So the c value depends on the body. Here you have taken solid sphere is given, therefore the radius of gyration is equal to solid sphere I by mr square 2 by 5 will come. That you can write here substitute 1 plus c. And coming into here asking that when it is rolling means a is equal to this is, and v is equal to 2gh by 1 plus c, v square equal to 2gh by 1 plus c, and t is equal to root over 2h by 1 plus means from this formulas only you can bring it. Okay, so that is not matter now. So he's asking v2 by v1 ratio. So v2 means 45 degrees, v1 equal 30 degrees, and here the point is will not go means anyhow the velocity is not depend on the angle, in that no doubt at all. Velocity is not depending on angle, but here h's are not given, same height is not mentioned anywhere in the question. They are not mentioned same height, therefore this height will be vary with respect to angle of inclination, right? Therefore heights I have to find out. So here height is equal opposite to the angle, given angle, therefore h is equal to l sin 30, that equal to l by 2. Here h is equal to l by root 2, right? So these are, now you'll substitute means you'll get answer, right? So v2 square means v1 by v2 whole square you have to find out, I think. So v2 square by v1 square, because here root 2 is there, answer 3 by root 2 not appearing. So it is 1 plus 2 by 5, that equal to 1 plus 2 by 5 means 7 by 5, that equal to v2 square is equal to here 2g into h is equal to l by root 2 into 7 by 5 means here 7, here 5 will come into 5. Similarly v1 square is equal to 2g into 5 by 7 into l by 2 will come. So 2g means v1 square by v2 square is equal to, so the 7 get cancelled, that equal to here into I can write 2 into 7 by denominator v2 square by v1 square 2g 5 simply 2g into 5, 2g 5 into l, 2g 5 l, 2g 5 l get cancelled. Here 7 also get cancelled. So remaining root 2. So answer is root 2 has to come. That equal to root 2 means 1.414. We can go with 1, right? v1 square by v2 square. If same answer is given, same heights are given means the length are given equal, but heights are not equal. So it is independent on angle, but they are rolling from the same height, nowhere mentioned. So we have to measure, we have to find out the heights. So from that root 2 has to come answer. Here is not given. So this is, and solid sphere means compulsory c value 2 by 5, 7 by 5, everything, and v square is equal to 2g, v equal root over 2gh by 1 plus c, rolling without slipping. So and here is given rolling. Rolling means that is only this formula only will use. So root 2 is coming, but answer 1.414 or root 2 has to give, but answer is 1 is given means 1.414 will write nearly equal to 1 only, right? That this question they have to ask in integer type, right? Right. 14th one, maybe they have taken integer. I took from one of the site, not in NTA. Right now 14th one, from uniform circular disc. So this is center of mass. This time only center of mass they asked in this session only. Before and all they didn't ask about center. Moment of inertia they asked, and some other rolling, here rolling rotatory motion there, moment of inertia. In this session rolling on inclined plane they ask. Maybe tomorrow they will ask torque. Torque also asked in one of the session previously, and torque over, rolling over, and angular momentum is not asked. They will go to ask angular momentum or equilibrium on the torque, something they will ask, right? So now from a uniform circular disc of radius 20 centimeter, so 14C, from the uniform circular disc of radius 20 centimeter, so the radius of 5 centimeter from the periphery, so 5 centimeter here to here 5 centimeter is removed, then shift in the position of center of mass is. So to find out the shift when removing case, right, shift is equal to minus mass of the removed part into C1 C2 means the distance from two centers by m1 minus m2. So this is answer. Removing, adding is down, m1 plus m2 will come. After adding, here C1 C2 is the distance from center, first center of the disc to second removing part center. So the here from periphery they are removing. The tomorrow they will remove from same concentric center. So then C1 C2 will become 0. Then there is no shift. Here they remove radius of the disc, other disc only they remove, circular disc only. But tomorrow they can give adding or another shape is removed. So in that case, so if people got idea about this question how to solve, shift means m of the removed part into distance from C1 C2. C1 means center of the first disc and C2 means center of the removing disc. So this distance. It is 15 centimeter, very clear, right? So therefore mass of the removing part I have to find out. So mass is given. First 20 centimeter have mass m consider. So that equal to pi into 400 centimeter square. But m dash is equal to mass of the removing part, that equal to pi into 25 centimeters square. So now m dash is equal to, I can say, m by 16. 25, 16, 400 m by 16. Therefore shift is equal to, now shift x is equal to, minus indicates it is moving toward this point. So m is equal to m by 16 into c1 c2 means 15 by m minus m by 16, that equal to 15 m by 16. So that is equal to, so total 15 m by 16, 15 m by 16. Answer is 1. Okay, now next time. So 15th, a bullet of, it has kinetic energy. So this is also very important question and basic conceptual question only. 15th question. A bullet of kinetic energy is given, kinetic energy 125 joules. Strike a lead block where temperature rises by 50 centigrade, means the temperature rises. From where we don't know, delta T is given. The rise of temperature delta T is equal to 50 degrees centigrade is given. And the specific heat is given 0.1 joule is given here. So you have to convert into calories, means 4.2 you have to convert into, by 4.2 you have to do. So joule by gram, gram is given and centigrade is given. Joule by gram degree centigrade. So now the mass of the lead block here is equal, Q is equal to ms delta T. So I don't know Q value. So the heat is coming to the lead block, means this lead block from kinetic energy. So here clue is given. See, assume half of the kinetic energy converted into heat. Heat energy is equal to half of the kinetic energy, means 125 by 2 is equal to, m is asking to find out. M into S is given 0.1 into delta T is equal to 50. So now m is equal to, so m is coming here. This is 15 to 100 is coming. Therefore this cancel, 10 will come here. That equal to 12.5 grams. But they are asking 2m value. Therefore 2m is equal to 25. That is the answer. So I hope you understand this. Easy question. In previous session, they asked about minus 10 to 110 degrees centigrade. That is 735, 730 or 100 degrees centigrade have to take it. So again here see, 16th question is belongs to same, but not silvering here. It is not silvered here. Two objects are equal distances from the sphere of radius r and refractive index mu, such that the image of an object forms another object. Find the object distance from the surface of the sphere. So 1 minute. I'll complete the diagram and everything, then I'll come. Right, this is question C here. Object 1, object 2 means this object forms the image here, this object forms the image here. Therefore, principle of reversibility concept you can follow. Arrow marks change means enough. So therefore, formula for curvature formula will take. First object x distance and refractive index is 1 media, this is, and refractive index of the sphere is equal to n media. The question given mu, I think so, but here I will take n value. It is, I am very comfortable in n, that's why. So n1 means 1 here, n1 is equal to 1 by x, and sign convention is minus x is equal to n2 by v1, somewhere it will form. In the curvature, when lens maker formula we discussed, thin lens if you take means, first curvature will take, it will form somewhere in the v1 distance, and it again second curvature it will be in the v distance. So write the first curvature formula. The refraction curved surface curvature formula is n1 by x minus n2 by v is equal to 1 minus n by r. This is first equation and image formed by first curvature. And this refraction through curved surfaces I have given video. You can check in my videos if you want. Right. Similarly, for second curvature n2 by v. So this is v1 and final image v by the lens two curvatures. So in the lens maker formula we have taken, because lens is a combination of two curvatures. So now if you see here clearly, the incident ray is this side only. Incident direction is like this. Therefore v1 is positive and media is, and incident angle for this v1 in the this media refractive index one will come n refractive index. Therefore n2 by v1 minus and positive, that is n1 by v, final image is also positive, is equal to n minus 1 by, and this curvature is minus r. So here the formula, this one follow, in which refractive index the object is there, that one by minus, this you have to remember, in which refractive index object is there, therefore n1 by x. object minus remaining n2 by v is equal to n1 minus n2 by r. And sign convention you can apply. Because in some of the concept they will write n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r is the curvature formula. They will tell like that. So that you want to apply in for different curvatures means you have a confusion. So compulsory this you remember. Object in which media, then minus remaining refractive index and image. So like that if you do means you will get easy method. Right, means I understood very clearly and all the questions I solved by using that only. So I am telling this. So this n2 by v1 n2 by v1 get cancelled. Therefore minus n1 means 1 by x and v are same only. Right, here also v final image is also x only. Therefore 2 by x, 2 into 1 by x v is equal to, this is here minus r is there. So take minus common here, 1 minus n. Therefore 2 into n minus 1 by r. Therefore v r x is equal to v r x is equal to r by n minus 1. This is answer. R by n minus 1 means mu minus 1. So option B. Coming into 17 question. So this is thermodynamics. When volume changes is 0 means dv is equal to 0 is given. So dv is equal to 0. So we know dw is equal to p into dv according to thermodynamics. The work done is equal to first law of thermodynamics. dw is equal to p dv. dv is equal to 0. Therefore first p is equal to 1. So if you see p is equal to 1 is there. Therefore answer B is correct. Only 1 is there. Remaining and all we will verify correct or not. So now when pressure is constant, so that is isobaric. Q is equal to 3. When no heat transfer, delta Q is equal to 0. 2 will come here. So now work done is equal to the heat given. Therefore dq is equal to dw. That means du is equal to 0. Where du internal energy 0? In isothermal process. How means? Du is always NCV delta T is equal to 0. Then delta T is equal to 0. That means T is equal to constant. T is constant means that is isothermal process. So now check once here 4 will come. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. So B option is correct. So this is about all conceptual questions and this question is very dead easy. And 16 is concept and similar question. 15 is easy. 14 is direct question. 13 also direct question, concepts based question. But here answer is some tricky asked. 12th is some medium question, that is. 11th I don't have idea. 10 is very easy question. 19th is only the difficulty question in this. 8th one and third one is similar questions and easy questions. 7th is very easy question. 7th one I didn't give, I didn't explain anything. So this is, we'll see. 7th one see here. So is given a gas at 0 degree centigrade. The value is reduced to 1 by 4 of its initial value, I think so. Means V2 is becoming V1 by 4 and gas at 0 degree centigrade. The change in the temperature in Kelvin is asking, and gamma is equal to, and here the volume change adiabatically. Temperature and volume relation in adiabatic equation. So T V power gamma minus 1. T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. So this is the formula. So by that you will get answer. So PV power gamma is equal to constant in adiabatic process. T V power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. P power gamma and V power gamma minus 1 is also constant. From ideal gas equations, in adiabatic, we will get that relations and all. Maybe tomorrow they will ask like that, or work done in adiabatical process like that. So now see here, T1, the change in temperature means T2 minus T1 I have to find out. Already T1 in Kelvin 273 is given here. 0 degree centigrade means 273 Kelvins. Because answer asking in Kelvin. So therefore 273 into V1. Gamma value is given 3 by 2. Therefore 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2. V power 1 by 2 is equal to T2 I want to find out. Then V2 is equal to V by 4 into 1 by 2. So V get cancelled here. V power 1 by 2, V power 1 by 2. So this is T2 is equal to how much will come? Here 1 by 4 root of 4 is equal to 2 into 273. 2 into 273 that equal to 546 kelvins, not 273 kelvins, 546. This answer is A, not B. This answer is A. So in that no doubt, this is a very easy question. V2 is equal to 1 by 2. Gamma minus 1 means 1 by 2. V by 4. So V get cancelled. V power 1 by 2. V power 1 by 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 4 means 2. 2 will go this side. 546. Easy questions. Right. In that no doubt. Answer A only correct. So right. These are the questions. Thank you.